So we've bought new windscreen wipers for my XR4. It's got these normal ones on here at the moment. Well, aren't all windscreen wipers normal? But they're shit. Look at that. Metal sticking out. You've got all this rubber not fitting properly. The rear one's alright. This one works fine. But we'll replace them all. Now at the moment, this is what my windscreen wipers generally do. They're shuddering, and that's not good. It's like they're going to come off. So let's replace them. Here's the old one. And here is the new one. Wipertech. Oh, we've taken the old one off, or we've unhooked it. So we'll chuck this new one on. It's actually very easy to do. In, angle, and now the new one's on. This clip here requires quite a lot of force actually. Yeah, to close it. Alright, they're finally on the car. They take a bit of force to clip in. This rear one was nice and easy actually. There's a different connector. You just slot it in and it was all good. Let's see how they wipe. Well, that is much better. Nice and smooth. Very nice.